Batten down the hatches, severe weather is on the way as a conveyor belt of cold fronts sweeps over parts of the nation from Thursday. The wild weather that lashed Perth earlier this week is heading east, bringing damaging winds and more rainfall to southeast Australia. Watch the latest news on Channel 7 or stream for free on 7 Plus. The Bureau of Meteorology expects another cold front to hit Saturday and bring another burst of showers before clearing throughout Sunday. However, relief may not come, with forecasters warning another cold front will approach from the west. BOM warned of increasing rain for Victoria on Thursday, predicting it to continue for much of next week. For the high peaks in the alpine areas, we could see blizzard conditions, Hal warned. Wild winds are expected to ease in both states late Thursday evening into Friday morning.
And finally, thank you all for watching the video. Please like and comment your opinion so we can discuss together. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell to follow and update many other interesting news. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.